Hello everybody, welcome back. In this section, we will talk about the Zabbix agent in active mode. In the previous section, we talked about the configuration in a passive check. Okay, we saw the connection was initialized from the Zabbix server to the Zabbix agent in the passive mode. For the sake of remembering, I will capture here and type here Zabbix. Okay. See the source, the connection first from the 192.168.96 and 150 from the Zabbix server to this destination, which is our Ubuntu Linux, and this is where our Zabbix client or Zabbix agent were installed. Come here, come here, come here. Okay. This is the passive check. Okay. Wireshark knows this too. Passive check. Agent responds for passive check. Server request for passive. Okay, get. Okay. It's enough. Let's config in active check. In an active check, first of all, come here and stop the Zabbix agent process service Zabbix agent 2 stop. Okay, go to the configuration file of the Zabbix agent. First of all, let me explain again about the Zabbix agent in active mode. What is active mode? In active mode, actually the Zabbix agent connect to the Zabbix server and ask for the item to monitor. I talk about item. Item is the small unit in Zabbix which we define it to monitor. An item is a monitored value on the remote host. This is the basic explain of what is item in Zabbix. Okay. In active mode, the Zabbix agent connect to the server and ask for item to monitor. This means the agent starts the connection. In the Wireshark, I show you. In passive mode, the connection was established from the server, not from the Zabbix agent. It is different from passive mode, where the server connects to the agent. Active mode is useful if the server cannot reach the agent directly, like if your agent behind the NAT or behind the firewall, which Zabbix server can't see directly the Zabbix agent. In this scenario, this is good. The agent config in the active mode. Another advantage of the active mode is useful when you have many agents and you want to reduce the server load. Okay, it is reduce the server load. Now let's see how to configure the agent in active mode. Come here, open the Zabbix agent configuration. Okay, on the server active here. This is server. It's only accept the request from only this IP address. Okay, I set it to loopback IP address. Okay, only accept from the loopback and comes here, and server active, which is the IP address where Zabbix agent send data to the Zabbix server. Okay, it must be the Zabbix server active here. 192.168.96.105. This is the IP address of the Zabbix server, and done. Okay, save it and restart the Zabbix agent. And now comes here and capture only Zabbix, nothing sent, and here you can see the availability of this host is not green anymore. Click here and unlink and clear the template, because we add Linux by Zabbix agent, which I said this is for passive check, and I want to alter this template and add Linux by Zabbix agent active. Okay, and in the active mode we do not need add the interface and specify the IP address of the Zabbix agent. I only delete this host. Okay, I delete the host. Now create a new host, Ubuntu-1, Linux by Zabbix agent active template, host group Linux servers here, and we do not add any interface here. This is Zabbix agent, which configured in active mode. Here let me some time, and again stop and start the capture before the add the host Zabbix. Come here and again restart the agent. Come here, and before add it, I want to show you something. Looks, the connection initialized from the Zabbix agents, which is the IP address of 10.10.10.11. Okay, and the destination is Zabbix server. Zabbix agent request for active check for Ubuntu-1. Okay, and then Zabbix server failed, give us failed, because we do not add any this host anymore. Now I will add it, and we do not specify any IP address on this interface, and come here, wait a little, again success. Okay, you can see here success, and the Zabbix agent now starts sending their uh, data to the Zabbix server. You can see the connection initialized from the Zabbix agent instead of Zabbix server. Hold on, refresh. You can see the availability is green, and come here in the latest data tab, and you can see the data received in its interval time. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, and let me something here. It's very nice. We can check the logs of Zabbix agent.log. Okay, and okay, this is the introduction to the Zabbix agent in active mode. In the next video, we will look at more advanced topic. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next time. Goodbye.